Hello everybody, it's Smithy, and today we are going to be playing Hunger Games with Logan. You can see him right there. You will not be able to hear him, sadly, but, yeah, you can just see him acting like a fool. But, you won't be able to hear him. You will be able to see him, but not hear. So, this is my map. It's called CNC. It is basically, it has Pompeii, um, all this stuff. Look, a lot of disadvantages because I built it, and we're gonna start soon. So I'm gonna get out of the way so you guys can fully see the TV because my face is pretty blocking about I'd say 15% of it. So let's get ready. We will begin this Hunger Games in 3, 2, 1, and we have started. By the way, guys, there is grace period, and you must break these blocks to get out of this tube. Yes, this was not on purpose. This was an accident. So, guys, there is a diamond in this map, and there is 3 diamonds in this map, and some sticks. So, right now, I'm going for the diamond sword, because I really like diamond swords. They look very pretty, in my opinion. Just place that, because I have no random reason to hold it. Logan is lagging. You guys sadly can't see his view, because, well, that wouldn't be fair for me. But I'll tell you what Logan's saying every once in a while. It's important, but Logan and I, it's usually a good competition. But in the past couple of weeks, he has been winning a lot. Past couple of days, I should say. Logan just said, yeah, boy, and yes, guys. Do you know what's on the top of this? No, of course you don't. But you will soon find out. Did the parkour. Logan said, did you get the par? And I said, I did. Like a boss. By the way, one advice, one tip, something that I didn't do. Whenever you're doing parkour, when you do a jump, say like a boss. It helps a lot, and it's fun to say. But as you can see, guys, we got some pretty good armor, iron chest plate. But we need to get a sword. We do not have a sword, sadly. But old miracles. Oh yeah. But Grace here will be ending soon. We do have a stone sword now. But you can see there's some chests in the river. More sticks, just in case we ran out of sticks. We have a lot of them anyway. We're gonna save that. But guys, yes, you're probably thinking, Casey, what the heck with the grace period? Come on, end it. Okay guys, I'll listen to you. But you guys also hate that I'm not organized. Yeah, I hate it when people are unorganized. Because organized inventory is number 1 to winning a Hunger Games. And I watch a lot of people and they don't do that. And it really actually helps your game skills, having an organized inventory. You guys might not think it's that good, but it really does. But yep, grace period will be over soon. So I'm just gonna count down now from 10. Grace period will be over in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Grace period is now over. Guys, you might think this diamond sword is overpowered, but in the last couple of rounds of Hunger Games, Logan has killed me with 2 hits with an iron sword. And I have given him 3 hits, and he's beaten me. Yeah, I know it sounds crazy, but it's true. Logan has been destroying me, and I have this enchanted diamond sword. No! Did you just see that, guys? Oh, I didn't. wasted. But I did lose my diamond. I dropped it by pressing Y. You know what? You know what, Logan? I didn't attack you when you told me not to, and then you attacked me when I'm totally not ready. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, sorry about that. Sometimes that was a lot. No. Okay. So guys, I have 2 lives. 2 lives. Logan has 1 life. He's going to die. No, Logan has 3 lives. And Logan is overpowered, and you guys can see. Now that I don't have my diamond sword, I'm probably gonna lose, right? I'm probably gonna lose. Yeah, bad for me. But, oh wow. No! Sorry guys, that's it for me. I lost the Hunger Games. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys enjoyed me brutally failing and Logan destroying me. But this is the end of another Smithy video. I will see you guys soon. Maybe Friday. Thanks for watching, and Logan says goodbye. See you all later.